Hey everyone, I am completely obsessed. How cool is this little printer that I finally got on Amazon? I've been wanting to get one of these for a while and see what the fuss is about, and just trying to find a way to easily print notes for my students on the go. Now, this is amazing because what I'm going to be doing is create notes that I'm going to have pre-uploaded to my iPad, and when a student needs something, I'm just going to head over to my iPad and watch this. Watch this. I'm going to press print on my iPad, and then it prints on sticky paper the notes that I want my students to have on their sheet music. So look at that. Look how cool it is. And then you just rip that out and peel it off. If I can get this to peel, that'd be great. Takes a bit of time, sorry. And pop it straight onto their music. Boom. How cool is this? I love it. So make sure you stay tuned because I'll be uploading my slides for you to have access to on my website, and head over and get one of these little printers. How cool is it? Love it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you follow me for more music theory tips and tricks. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to comment if you like this and to see more on how this little printer works. Have a great night. See ya. Bye.